Hi everyone, how are you doing today? So, in today's video, I'm going to cover the third emotional energy which holds us back from stepping into our true potential, and it also gets us into a low vibration zone, and that is resentment. Let's first understand as to what is resentment. Resentment is a heavy, bitterly feeling that you carry, let's say, towards someone who hurt you or someone who treated you unfairly, right? Or let's say you had expectations and they did not meet your expectations, right? So, in all these cases, we are the ones who are holding the emotional pain, right? So, it's like we are holding a grudge against this person, but of course, we are not talking about it, but somewhere inside it is there and it is growing every single day. Right now, we did do a meditation on how to release emotional pain, but today we are going to go a little bit more into understanding the resentment that we carry with regards to various situations, various people in our lives. And then, of course, we're going to acknowledge it and then release it and then empower ourselves. So, resentment can show up in different ways. And let's understand now that, whenever resentment is showing up, how can we switch? How can we transform it, right? So, let's say the resentment is showing up in the form of a lot of hurt, right? There is like this lingering hurt that you can feel in your body. And so, in that moment, I just want you to face your hurt, right? Not run away from it, but just face it and be honest about your emotion, be honest about your hurt. Like, maybe take a piece of paper and write down that, yes, I am feeling hurt and this is how it is hurting me. The more you talk about it, the more you acknowledge it, it actually goes away over a period of time, right? So just stay there with the hurt and feel it. And once you have felt it, and then you can just go about healing it, where you say that, this hurt that I'm feeling in my body, I choose to release and I choose to let go of it, right? Now, sometimes the resentment can also show up in the form of bitterness, right? Let's say that, somebody disrespected you, or somebody, stepped into your boundary and you did not do anything about it. So you carry a lot of bitterness now towards this person. So rather than, carrying that bitterness, because you are the one who is carrying it, right? And think about it in terms of energy, right? You're carrying negative energy inside of your body, and that's not doing any good to you. So rather than carrying bitterness, maybe focus on setting boundaries, right? Setting stronger boundaries and communicating about your boundaries. And not just that, right? You're also choosing to respect yourself, because sometimes, when you are not receiving the respect from the external world, it could be that at some levels you don't respect yourself. Maybe you don't respect your needs, you don't respect your time, you don't respect your priorities, and that just shows up in the external environment, right? So switch to setting boundaries for self and self respect, right? Now, another way in which resentment can show up is, let's say, a lot of anger, right? So you feel like there's this immense amount of anger that is stored in your body, right, towards a person or towards a situation. So in such cases, again, rather than carrying the anger, whatever it is that led to this anger, maybe just reflecting on that and asking yourself that, okay, what is it that I was looking for, right? What is it that I was expecting, right? And being very clear about what you want and then communicating that as well, right? So that is what you can switch to rather than, carrying this anger, right? The next way in which resentment shows up is when you're feeling unappreciated, right? Like you expected that, your work will be appreciated, and, you did not get that appreciation. So rather than, waiting for somebody else to appreciate you, how about you appreciate yourself? Yeah. So whenever you're feeling that I'm not being appreciated and you start feeling bad about it, remind yourself that I can appreciate myself for the work that I'm doing, and I'm going to validate, like I'm going to give validation to my own self, and I don't need that from the external world. And trust me, when you start doing that by yourself, you will start seeing that people around you are also appreciating you. Like I said, your external world is simply a reflection of your internal world. So if you're feeling unappreciated by the external world, it means that somewhere deep down you have not appreciated yourself enough, right? So let's just focus on doing that. Another way in which resentment shows up is holding a grudge, right? Now, understand this, that every time you're choosing to hold a grudge, it's like you are drinking the poison, but you are expecting the other person to feel how it is to drink the poison. And that doesn't make sense, right? So that's exactly what we do when, we are holding grudge. And just like how we drink poison and we expect the other person to feel it, at in the same way, holding the grudge within ourselves is not going to do any good to ourselves as well as to the other person, right? So instead of holding grudge, how about you choose peace for yourself? You choose to release all these negative energies and you give yourself the gift of emotional freedom, right? And this is where you can do EFT. So whenever you're feeling this resentment, you can just start tapping into your different meridian points, and you don't even have to remember everything. Just focus on two meridian points: the side of the hand, or the karate chop as we call it, and the top of the head. That's it. So just focus on tapping this and say, I'm feeling resentful and I'm choosing to release it. I'm choosing to let go of it, and say it multiple times and gift yourself peace, gift yourself that emotional freedom, right? Another way in which resentment shows up is when we are continuously replaying the past, right? We are thinking about what happened in the past and then we are feeling bad about it. So every time that happens, just use your senses and be in the present moment. Tell yourself, it is past now, it doesn't define me. I am in the present moment, and it's in the present moment that creation happens, and therefore I choose to be in the present moment. And every time you're going into the past, just keep bringing yourself back. Initially it is going to be very difficult for you to keep bringing yourself back into the present moment, but trust me, you just need to do it for a couple of days, and then being in the present moment will become easier. Yeah. And the last one is, let's say the resentment is because you've never really allowed yourself to feel that pain, right? There was a lot of pain that you felt, but you never spoke about it, right? So then the best way to shift from this kind of resentment is to take a piece of paper and talk about the pain that you went through, right? Just give voice to your pain and talk about it. Like, write it down, journal it, right? And then you can release it and let go of it, okay? So these are the various ways in which, resentment shows up. So see which one applies to you, and, whatever is the switch that I have given you, let's apply that, okay? And pause the video, do this work now. And once you have done this, then move on to the meditation, and let me know in comments how you feel after doing this entire exercise along with the meditation. I'll really look forward to hearing from you. Lots and lots of love and abundance, love and light.
Sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly, and take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel your body soften. One more time, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Another deep breath in and breathe out. Let's now begin. You can either say it along with me or in your mind. There is a part of me that still holds pain, a part that feels unseen, unacknowledged, unappreciated, a part that silently whispers, "Why did they do that to me? How could they not care? I gave so much and got so little." I honor this part of me. I no longer judge myself for feeling what I feel. I don't need to silence that part of me. I simply need to hold that part of me. Yes, I felt betrayed. Yes, I felt abandoned. Yes, I felt like I had to carry more than I could. And I carried that pain quietly, thinking maybe if I kept it inside, someone would eventually see it. But they didn't, and I have suffered long enough. Now, I choose to stop reliving what I cannot rewrite. I choose to stop punishing myself for what someone else failed to give. I see now that their behavior was a reflection of them, not of my worth. My silence didn't protect me, it imprisoned me. And my love is far too sacred to be bound by resentment. I no longer need to carry their actions inside my body. I no longer need to carry stories that only hurt me. I no longer need to shrink to avoid the sting of what happened. I'm allowed to let go, not because they apologized, but because I deserve peace. I'm allowed to release this resentment because I refuse to let their choices define my future. And so I say, with my hands stretched wide apart, I set you free from my energy field. And take a deep breath in and breathe out. Stretch out your arms wider and say, I set myself free from this pain. And let's take a deep breath in and breathe out through your mouth so that all those stuck energies can get released. Repeat, I no longer wait for closure. I create it. Let's repeat that one more time. That I no longer wait for closure. I create it. And let's take another deep breath in and breathe out. Repeat with me. My nervous system is learning that it is safe to feel free, that it is safe to be light again, that it is safe to open my heart, but this time with boundaries so that I can protect my energy. Let's now take a few deep breaths. And while you're breathing in and out, I'm going to give you a few statements which you can either say it in your mind or out loud. Take a deep breath in and say, I reclaim my power. Breathe out through your mouth I release the past. Breathe in. My heart is my own again. Breathe out. Resentment no longer lives here. Breathe in. This is my peace. Breathe out. This is my new beginning. Now place both hands on your heart and say, I forgive what I cannot change. I bless what I am walking away from. I choose to rise free, soft, and whole. Resentment is a weight I no longer need to carry. Today, I walk forward lighter than ever before. Let's repeat that one more time. I forgive what I cannot change. I bless what I'm walking away from. I choose to rise free, soft, and whole. Resentment is a weight I no longer need to carry. Today, I walk forward lighter than ever before. With that, take your time to slowly come back to the here and now. Bring in a smile. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes and create a beautiful day for yourself.